Hi everybody, it's Robbie. It's Friday, August 10th, 2018, and all I'm doing right now is a quick update on the fires that are burning. I believe it's Cleveland National Forest. They're calling it the Holy Fire. That's the one that is affecting us only by smoke. Yesterday, the skies were just black. I mean, it was like almost like it was evening. It was so dark. And it was really bad as far as the skies. We do not have the fires near us. It is not in our area at all. Today, and I will show you what the skies looked like yesterday because I did do some video footage and you're probably seeing it now. Now today the sky is very gray, kind of a light gray. And as they've been talking about on the news, there's been over 18,000 acres that have already burned. It doubled in size overnight, they said. And the sky, of course, and the air quality is very, very bad. I went out this morning and I was picking greens to make our breakfast that I do. I like to fry it up in eggs and stuff. And I didn't know what was wrong. I kept picking different things and there was this white stuff all over it. I wasn't thinking. And I thought, this doesn't look like powdery mildew. Well, our garden is covered in ash. I realized right away when I picked it up and brushed it, it was ash. So we've got ash all over our garden, but that's okay. I wash everything anyways. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to go into the ground. I am not washing the plants because if I wash them now, and we're going to be, right now we're 90, we're a little over 90. And this is early yet, so we'll probably hit about 95, 98 later on today. That would fry and kill my plants. So that I am not doing in my garden. This is my deck garden. But anyways, the plants in the garden, I'm leaving them. Anything, of course, I'm bringing in, I will wash and make sure it's washed well. It's not going to hurt us. It's mainly from the forest. There are some structures, yes, that were burned. As far as people saying, oh, there's plastic and stuff in it. You can't worry about everything. There's worse things in the air from manufacturing companies and stuff. All you do is deal with it. Anything you bring in, if you've got ash, if you're in an area where there is ash all over your garden, just make sure when you bring it in, just wash it real good with water and get it all off. I can't worry about every single thing in life, or I'd be worrying every single moment. Not that I don't, but that's a different thing. But anyways, no, just wanted to kind of do an update. We're okay. We are not near the fire at all. I can't get to it. If it got to us, you got bigger problems, and it would go through many, 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 many towns and cities. No, it's not in our area. They're trying to keep it contained. They have lost some structures. There's approximately 18 fires burning in the state of California. This one right now in Southern California is probably one of the worst, and then the worst ever in record history as far as California fires, I believe, is burning up north right now, and they're still dealing with that, which is not blowing over here. Interesting that the news said this morning that the California fires, the smoke is blowing over the U.S. and has gotten as far as New York City. That's amazing. But it's up about a mile in the air, so they won't even notice it. But here, like I said yesterday, the sky was so dark and never really thought about it. Didn't see anything on the plants yesterday, but as of this morning, probably with the morning dew, it stuck to the plants, and all the plants had this powder all over it, crumbly powder, and if you touched it, it smeared. So that's the update. We're fine. Well, I can't say we're trying to stay in the house. If I'm not wearing a mask, but I should, maybe. I don't know. They haven't even gotten that far on the news to tell people to wear a mask, but they are concerned about people with asthma. And again, we're fine. So if you're in an area where you're getting ash, just make sure anything you bring in, you wash. Normally, I walk through my garden and I just pick things and I eat things and don't think about it. Yep, see, there's even ash on this. That's ash. So there is ash everywhere. It's a little bit, this is blowing off. That's all ash. See this? It's on all the plants. So make sure anything you bring in to eat, just make sure you rinse it well. I wouldn't go crazy scrubbing it with soap or anything. You don't need that. Just rinse it well, it's fine. Don't wash your plants off. It's going to go into the ground. Normally ash is very, very good, but I don't want to say this is good because fires are not good. We use ash from the fireplace. Gary sprinkles it all over his garden, and sometimes I get some and I sprinkle it around mine. It's not something I do all the time, but it's not going to hurt the plants at all. Just leave it and water your garden normally. Just wash anything. I'm not going out in my garden and I'm not going to be picking up tomatoes that are red and just eating them straight without rinsing anything right now because everything's got ash on it. Okay, have a great weekend, everybody. We'll try to do a live show again soon, and I hope to get some more stuff up soon. And thank you for your concerns, and my heart and my prayers go out to everybody that's dealing with these fires all over. Thank you again, everybody. This is just an update. Bye-bye. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. And right now, if you're in an area where you've got ash all over it, make sure you rinse it. I always rinse it anyways. But yes, I do walk through the garden, grab something, eat something. Right now, I will make sure I rinse everything. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.